Introduce highlight features or overview summary for Maxhonor 3-sided view electric fireplace insert. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: 3-side view electric fireplace heater, experience mesmerizing flames from every angle. The 40-inch fireplace features 3-sided crystal clear glass for an immersive view. With hyper-realistic logs and 3D flame tech, it creates a cozy campfire vibe year-round, no heat needed. Customize your ambience, 12 flame colors, 5 brightness levels, and adjustable heat, 64 to 82 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for medium-sized rooms, up to 400 square feet. Sleek style fireplace mantle. Sleek style fireplace mantle meets durability. Electric fireplace with clean-lined mantle fits modern homes seamlessly. Built to last, the 5.1-inch solid base keeps everything secure. Transform your living room into a cozy retreat. Multifunctional and easy to use, your all-in-one heating and entertainment hub. Control flames and heat effortlessly via button or remote, perfect for family. Set the 1 to 8 hour timer to save energy while you sleep. Equipped with long-lasting ultra-bright LED technology with realistic logs and flame. More than just a fireplace, it's your room's focal point. Safety first, quiet always, warmth you can trust. Maxhonor's electric fireplace runs whisper quiet and includes automatic overheat protection for peace of mind. No fumes, sparks, or messy cleanup. Just plug in and enjoy instant, worry-free coziness. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.